Today, we're gonna see what happens if I mix my water slime into the snow during a snowstorm. Look at this. It literally is like a slushy freeze. Brrr! The wind is blowing like 50 miles per hour. Look at how fun this is. Oh my gosh. Brrr! It literally is so cold. But it's beautiful and it's fun. And you can find my slimes at Walmart and Target and Five Below and Amazon. So many fun places. It literally smells like a watermelon, except it's cold. It's cold out. Brr. I'm gonna just keep leaving this out here and we're gonna see like if it can freeze or not. I hope so. I hope so. If you want to see an update, let me know. Fingers crossed it freezes. I hope so. That'd be cool.